Big box here today. It's the lawn roller. Rodillo para césped. Okay, this is Brinly. I actually saw this on Facebook Marketplace. You can fill this with water. I think you can fill it with sand too. It is like a poly type material. It's not metal like some of them are. But what I liked about this one is the weight. 270 pounds with water as opposed to 150 or 200 with some of these other smaller ones. So 2-year warranty. I'm going to take care of it so that it doesn't wear out. Nothing worse than getting a hole in something like this. If it does get a hole, I'll use sand and kind of stop it up, but I hope that it'll last. Just going to show you what it looks like, guys, here in the box. There she is. Okay, got a little bit of hardware here. Whoops. And then we've got, I don't know, some bolts, more hardware, instructions. These two babies, those look nice, heavy duty. And I'll pull it out. More hardware. Okay, there it is. All right, how thick is the wall? I'm gonna say not quite a 1/4 inch, but more than 1/8 of an inch. That's what I'm saying. I'm thinking here. Looks pretty strong. So I like that this one could be pulled behind a 4-wheeler. So let's check it. Let's put it together. Okay, it took me about, I don't know, 15-20 minutes to put it together. Longer than I thought, actually. Just kind of bulky, and you need 2 hands to do a lot of things while you're holding the bolts. So 3 hands to kind of do things. So you got to toggle things with your knee, but I got it put together. And I actually put the handle in here. The handle comes with a bolt and a nut that you can secure permanently. But I have the version that comes with the pin. And so I have a pin here that I can use on a trailer. I'm hoping that this handle won't get in the way, because I'd like to be able to use this by hand sometimes, going back and forth in small areas. And I don't want to have to use the 4-wheeler or a machine to go back and forth and make more ruts. So I'm hopeful I can use this. If not, I'll pull it off when I just want to use it with my 4-wheeler, and then I can slip it back on. So there's a little cotter pin there that you can take off, and I put this in, but it normally comes with like a half inch bolt and a nut, so it's permanent. But I don't want to lose this piece because I think it'll be handy to use by hand. So there you go, guys. It's the Brinly. I don't know what version it is, but you saw the video. So I hope that was valuable for you to see what this looks like. I'm gonna go fill it with water and see how it works. Over and out.